This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can connect this device to VPN. So the first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. So that is exactly that I'm going to do now. Once the app is ready, simply launch it, tap at the green continue button over here. Then you gotta skip the ad that follows, and in order to finally start or establish the VPN connection, just tap at the caret icon over here, accept or confirm the connection request. And as you can see by the VPN icon at the status bar, the VPN/proxy connection was successfully turned on. While at it, you can reconnect yourself to other server or country or even the city. So let's say I reconnect myself to Amsterdam, Netherlands, for instance. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon over here, confirm that you would like to disconnect by tapping at the respective option over here. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.